Make a question, this as a market. Look what they go. Igwe Chijuru Nebufe no Igwe Igwe Amavume Kutaya Kamara Manambemuna Matara Ihe Bayelo culture Odim go Polakanamana any Bomaka Igwe Shimo Washiz oil mall, ihe ya chọrọ beri jekwe nta afọ we ya chọrọ ime ekwa n'ọnọdụ ya ba madebere ekwa afọ we agha eme mana afọ we bụ Obioma welu mkpagbu ihe kọta n'aka ndị ilo ọsịm ka ihe afọ ọzọ kwesịrị ịbụ ọwụwa jinji wee jie Igwe mọlụ kama nka ị nọrie chai ji ejuta ọnwa niile ihe a na-eme n'ọnwa ahụ niile ọgwa nene anyị dịghị owu ojejutacha ụbọchị anyị bịara iwe mbụ na oye mama nga ka ọgbụma ya na-egbo ye m na si n'ọnwa shirube ya o wee kuo m nza Oshim Naji na-eme na mbeyi Igwe n'ụwa ya bụ ihe achọghị ịkpa oke n'igwe gwa m na ya bụ onye ụka mana ya chọrọ ka ihe ọbụla Obioma jikwa dị ebube n'omenala n'ọkọlchọ kedu mma anyị wechitaz ekwere m ihe ọbụla nkwa achịkwa m kwue Igwe aka wụ o were okwu mama nga kwuru ọ mgbe olukwele echi eyichekwe anyị echewe ma nọ ya etigide o nwere ike mgbe olugbo uwe afọ ya ọ dịgide ya ogwe ayaghasịnọl maka na ihe dịka igwe asụkwa m kwuwe ya achụ ya bụkarị ihe dịka eze wụ nkwa ka dọlụ n'ozi ọka bụ na chi ihe niile ụgbọkwa nna akana ya na ndị otu onye bọọlụ aka gaji na-eme ndo eyikwue na ọka bụ na chi ruo mgbe a nọchara nsọ ya mmatala ya kụziri m ọtụtụ ihe ori mgbe ọ na-abụ mbịakwa ọchịmagụ na obodo ọkụ goro ahụ anyị tụtụ ewu obe anyị mejekwa endo na nchịkọta na mgbakọta m ebe Igwe nọ bụ na ohu onye chọrọ ka mmadụ niile wee kwuo okwu ọ bụghị ya bịbịakwa ekwu okwu ọgbọchie ọnụ gị na ya dịrị nnume argument ọ dịka na abụ ọgbọ ogwe na Igbo onye maara akọ iwere ike run out of track jee n'ọgụ na ọgbọ gị na aba nkata ize ọ dịrị nọọ Igwe maka ọ ya ma ndị gị njakịrị dafu udu mmadụ ahụ ma ọ bụ to me o nweghị nkwado ọ na-enye mmadụ ọ na-enyeghị m dịka onye ndu kọlchọ Obioma na-ese Igwe ọ dịwa dịka isi wee kwuo ọ ka ji na-emetụ ejeto ma agha baala ntị mụ agakwa ntị wee hụ afa ji hụ ya amara m n'ome ọbịa m ekele mma
ọ ga na-ekwe ọ bụrụ ezigbo enyi ihe ọ na-aza bụ okwu a na-asa ya ọkwa mmadụ ya ekwu na ma ọ ya adịrị gị na mma ịba anyị ihe o kwuru gị nene anyị bịara bụ igwe shipụgụ gị ọba n'ịbọ agụkwa amen bụ Igwe anyị na-ede okwu obi agịrịba anyị na-eji nọrọ mana ọchukwu maara nke ka mmadụ ka nsi gwa ụlọ anyị anaghị ejidere ụwa anyị etikwa anyị ekwuto futecha gọọmenti biko achọrọ m ịkpọlite the former PG in person of the Dr. Emmanuel Ikechukwu Nwofor. Biko ka anyị kụọ ọlụ na ya aka maka aka mmadụ Igwe ezigbo ọgwụ aka ya bụ ya dịba beje
Obioma ekele m ọ na-eze n'ebe ekele m biko ndị bịa be anyị imere anyị ekele m ụlọ biko let me stand on the existing protocol which has been established before now biko onye anyị ji maka ya gbakọ ebe a taa MC Pule ezigbote enyi m nwoke ahụ Igwe leti Igwe mma m na ya ebido taa mgbe Igwe na-arụ ọrụ na Total as a repair manager. In fact, I live in Port Harcourt. That's where I reside from my youth. This man you are seeing is not just look at a relationship only on with people around him. Look at him. Is born in him. He will come to work then. Open Port Harcourt because all in charge of Eastern Zone as a retail manager. This was going to spend the money he was given when we were going to hotel, Producer Hotel to go and stay. Also, so what are you on the main for payments even and it we know I'm going to need to pay again to bring Obioma together, sort of. Give us a little brief information about the stone ship. Sophia man. Yes, the answers Igwe is an undiluted truth, an established fact. It was a battle. At a point, in fact, at a point I felt, why would we continue with this race? Letters will be coming. I'll be right now sitting PG then. Letters will be coming to my desk. I'll be right now replying. Statements will invite me. I'll go and I defend that. If it House Assembly invite me, I'll go with my secretary. This we are doing as a sitting PG. Letters we wrote for this mountain match is uncountable. The point, my state will tell me, PG, let's let go and go. It's not really late. We are serving the community. I don't know why Putin doesn't last. When a man there is profile, and that's a Italian profile, in that profile of our Royal Highness, so give me a profile, and you can see it on. You prepared it, and give to me, and that's what it. The journey was a very tedious journey, considering the role he played to get up there, the suffering and everything. 9 months is too short. In fact, it's the most brief Igwe we have ever had in our community. It's the most efficient, if I can use that word. It's too brief to my liking. It didn't last 10 months. 30th December was when it was inaugurated. And by September, he gave up. I know he had some health challenges. And he was not speaking over them. He was handling them effectively. I was always close to him. I will come here and sit down and discuss. Even when matters involve external handling, you send for me. But however, I think God knows the best. God knows the best. God knows the best. I don't know where to start to talk about this young man or this Igwe. In African communion, we did carol together. Oh, boy, he's by age. He's far my senior. Far. The gap is much. It's more than 14 years. Senior to me. I can say it. But you see us rapport, see us do things together. Who can she lay here? You would think you just give you say, no, that fish you or something like that. He's such a man. Such a man. Such a man. That will frame me to tell us his real life history as much as I knew. Because right from even he top, I think there's some school with me. But then the very fast, comprehensive will go. There are people that when we talk of Korean, if don't mention Ikechukwu Nwofor, it's not started. Obioma, ihe mere anyị. Chineke a, mmadụ ka o si akwụ ụgwọ ga-akwụghachi anyị n'aha Jizọs. Biko na-ekele m unu. Biko, let me not bother you with other rest of the stories. The man that is there is I should tag him a hero. Thank you very much, and God bless you.
Thank you, an applause, please. Onye kwuchara okwu kata bụ PG Emeritus Dr. Ikechukwu Nwofor, Senior Lecturer, Faculty of Management Science, Department of Accounting, University of Port Harcourt, River State. Oganya Kenege. Dalo. Na abịazibem. Ịbịa. Ihe Igwe na-edobe kenu bụ ọvụrụ. Maka Igwe ji okwu ọvụrụ egwu. Ikwu awe. Igwe dị ka ọ mara ya afụ n'oge. Oke lachara aka. Okay, after what we should do, even before we go, oh, go to my God, Lilian. Go off River. Idiot. Oh, boy, I want to take good bag. You will keep an idea. You'll find a ticket. I can't think of it for another to get your man and give it. You can't get your egg. If I get into the whole day, put you on a gin and habit. Does he if we Biko and yet another guy? I actually monitor the cabinet secretary. I can have yet a good Shiboa. Come on, cabinet secretary and about the honor wire. Please, I'm having no more cabinet secretary. I'm one more one. You're getting in on it. Oh, better is relative to I. I should do it to him. On that bench, it was him. Nonsense. See why? Uchechineke. Because I the quarrel. Thank you very much. Yes, he lived a fulfilled life as far as I'm concerned. Obioma ekele mu. Obioma ekele mu.
Uno, the PG. I like to stand on the established protocols. Now I show you Aibako. Koge, you celebrate the life well lived. Our brother, our friend, and my father, His Royal Highness, late Igwe Martin Ikechukwu Nwofor. I am Igwe became that man Ikechukwu Nwofor. I can't believe no. Very, very interesting. Right from all about ball. About the burial committee. I'm going to hatch it. I get to March in memory of late Igwe Martin Nwofor. A very good footballer. Obioma. Then the PG emeritus, who is the one?